in which progress is seen as steadily downward, like a waterfall through the phases of conception, analysis, initiation, design, testing, production, construction, implementation, and maintenance. Assalamu alaikum. I'm the principal of one chain of a school, and I want to have a school management system for my chain so that I can manage all my branches from one location, head office.
Sure, we can develop a software which can easily handle your requirements. However, we need some more details required to understand your actual need.
Yes, sure. I will give you all my details which could help you at this initial stage.
Thanks for your details. I will discuss it with my colleagues and revert back to you as soon as possible. Office. We have a requirement of chain of school management system, though it is not a very big job. Our client requirements are requirement of daily business transition with specific payment system, etc. Staff and student records, payroll system, report preparation. So what do you think? How should we proceed? Waleed?
Well, I agree with you, and as you said, it's not a very big project. So we should proceed by a waterfall developing process.
Okay.
In this way, we can save both time and energy. What do you think, Noman?
Well, I have no problem with Waleed's idea, but we have to show a sample design to our client before finalizing any one design. This will help us to proceed a development on one particular design, and it will also help us to not reverting back from start if the client doesn't approve our design.
I think Noman's idea is better, but we have to finalize the design first before proceeding to the development.
Okay, by discussing the requirement with you guys and analyzing your suggestion, I need Noman to make some sample design for our client. After that, we will proceed to our development phase. In the meanwhile, Waleed, you have to analyze what better function we should suggest to our client. And one more thing, the client is not paying us a huge sum, so everything should be economically made.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum. Okay, Ms. Laiba, here are some designs. Please choose your design.
This one is better.
Okay, Ms. Laiba, as you have chosen the best design we have, I will assure you that you will get your software within 3 weeks, and we will train 2 of your staff for free of cost. And for further customization, you will be charged separately. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Mubeen. As soon as I receive your quotation, I will send you the check of advance amount. But as I said, do send me the Gantt chart of the project along with the quotation, which must have total development time process.
Okay, now we are moving to our development phase. I will contact you when your software gets ready. Allah Hafiz. your software is ready, and I am coming to your office.
Okay, come to my office, I'm waiting.
Office. Yeah. And here is your documentation. We moved your school management system to the domain, and the domain is also mentioned in this documentation. You can check it right now and give me your feedback.
I'm satisfied, and it was a good experience working with you.
Okay, now we will train two of your staff free of cost as I said, and now I am leaving. Thank you.